In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make money with Facebook professional mode. So a lot of you guys know that Facebook has introduced a new feature where you can start monetizing your profile. You don't even have to create a page anymore. Like before, you have to create a page, you have to to enter all the information, but now literally you can monetize your own profile and you can turn that profile to professional mode, and then you can start making money. As you can see, this is the article from Facebook. So as you can see, anyone Facebook has long been a great platform for building a professional profile, establishing personal brand, and professional mode offers a great way to do just that. Now, as you can see, guys, this makes it easy for people who want to hire you or buy your products to get in touch and learn more about what you have to offer. So this may seem a little bit complicated, but it's actually simple. So what this whole thing means is, like, whenever you post like videos, you can monetize videos on your profile, so you don't have to people can follow you on your own profile. You can just follow you, and then you can start like watching your content, and you can start making videos and stuff like that, and then you can start monetizing these. Okay, now you can start making money from professional mode. There are a lot of different options. As you can see, Facebook live monetization, monetize your Facebook lives videos with an in-stream ads without overwhelming the viewers. Now you will be able to control where and how ads are displayed in your content so that you can maximize your existing fan base and revenue potential. So as you can see, guys, plus ads won't be in the way of your viewers' experience. That's a win-win. Now you can also make money using Facebook stars. There is a new way for fans to support their creators, but a lot of you guys, I know that you won't be interested for this. So a lot of you want to monetize their own their own videos on their profile. Now first, you will have, guys, to turn your own profile to professional mode. Okay, so that's exactly what you need. And then after you start posting videos and stuff like that, then you can start monetizing these videos, but you will have to meet like a requirements of like 10,000 followers on Facebook before you can start making money. So make sure you turn on, you can get these 10,000 easily. So make sure you click on the video in the screen so that you can turn your Facebook profile to professional mode, and then you can start uploading videos, and I'm going to be showing you in that video how you can start using that. Okay, so please drop a like and watch the video in the screen. See you guys next video.